Hello, my name is Josie and I'm currently an intro to beekeeping. I would love to share with you some of my favorite fun facts about bees. Bees are pollinators, meaning they take the pollen from one plant and bring it to another. This helps it grow and flower. They are responsible for pollinating so many plants, including some of your favorites like kiwis, grapes, tomatoes, apples, cranberries, and so many more. Almonds depend entirely on bees for their pollination. Bees impact all animals since they are responsible for pollinating 80% of the world's plants. That means without bees, we wouldn't have food to feed ourselves and cows and chickens, so we wouldn't have delicious steak or chicken. And we definitely would not have any vegetarian options. So we, humans, we need to take care of bees, and we need to help bees because they take care and help us and our entire food system. And without them, we would not have the delicious meals we do every day. So remember to love the earth and love bees.
When working with the bees, we wear a lot of protective gear. As you can see here, we have an entire bodysuit with a face protector and gloves. We also make sure to wear boots to protect us from having the bees fly in through the ankles. Bees are generally pretty calm and not aggressive by nature. However, we are going directly into their home and disturbing them, so we need to make sure that we're careful. When out with the hive, we never walk in front of the entrance to the hive. They will perceive this as a threat. We also use smoke to keep them calm, as this masks our smell and their alarm pheromones. After opening the hive, we go through each box and all of the frames in them to make sure that the hive is healthy and thriving. We check to make sure that there is honey in the frames, enough for the bees to make it through the winter, and that there are still brood to let us know that the queen is safe and healthy and still laying eggs in the hive. We also want to make sure that our colony is healthy. We test for varroa mites to make sure that the disease is not being spread around the hive. We also check to see if there are any intruders or invaders in the hive, such as wasps, who want to invade to get the honey that the bees have worked hard to make. Just look how cute our little bee friends are. Remember, next time you're out and about and you see a bee and are afraid of it, that it will not sting you unless you disturb it. And have fun saving the bees.